Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. If your Windows 11 PC feels slow, takes longer to start, or has unnecessary junk files, Microsoft offers a free tool that can help. It's called Microsoft PC Manager. In this video, I'll show you how to install Microsoft PC Manager from the Microsoft Store and explain every important feature that can help improve your PC's performance. Let's get started. First, open the Microsoft Store. In the search box, type Microsoft PC Manager. Click on Microsoft PC Manager, then click the Get button to download and install it. Once the installation is complete, click Open. This is the home screen of Microsoft PC Manager. The first feature is Boost. Click the Boost button. This quickly removes temporary files, clears system cache, and frees up memory by closing unnecessary background processes. In many cases, you'll notice an immediate improvement in system responsiveness. You can configure Smart Boost by clicking Set up Smart Boost. Here, you can customize how PC Manager automatically optimizes your computer. When memory usage becomes high or temporary files accumulate, Microsoft PC Manager can automatically free up memory and remove unnecessary files without requiring manual action. You can also enable Automatic Boost, allowing PC Manager to monitor your system in the background and optimize it whenever needed. This helps keep your Windows 11 PC running smoothly, responsive, and clutter-free with minimal effort. Now open the Protection tab. The Protection tab includes several tools to help keep your Windows 11 PC secure, updated, and running properly. Here you'll find Scan your PC for viruses, malware, and security issues using Microsoft Windows Security. Windows Update, check for and install the latest Windows Update. Taskbar Repair, repair common taskbar and start menu issues. Network check, diagnose and fix common network and internet connection problems. Click Scan. This feature uses Microsoft Windows Security to scan your computer for viruses, malware, and other potential security threat. It also checks for common system issues and provides recommendations to help improve your PC's security and overall health. Next is Windows Update. This opens Windows Update so you can install the latest security patches, bug fixes, and new Windows features. Keeping Windows updated improves both performance and security. Taskbar Repair. If your taskbar isn't working correctly, icons disappear, or the start menu behaves unexpectedly, this option can help repair common taskbar problems. Network check. This tool checks for common internet and network configuration issues that may affect your connection. If problems are detected, Microsoft PC Manager suggests possible fixes. Now let's move to the Storage tab. This section helps free up disk space. Storage Cleanup. Quickly remove temporary files, Windows cache, log files, and other unnecessary data. Large files. Find files that are taking up the most storage space so you can decide whether to delete or move them. Duplicate files. Search for duplicate files stored on your computer. Deleting unnecessary duplicates can free up valuable storage. Next is Storage Sense. Storage Sense is a built-in Windows feature that automatically frees up disk space by deleting temporary files, emptying the recycle bin, and removing old files from the Downloads folder based on the schedule you choose. You can enable Storage Sense and customize when it runs, helping keep your storage clean automatically without manual maintenance. Now open the Apps tab. Here you can manage applications installed on your PC. Deep Uninstall. The Deep Uninstall feature removes an application along with leftover files, folders, and registry entries that are often left behind after a normal uninstall. This helps keep your system cleaner and prevents unnecessary storage usage. Next, open the Toolbox tab. This section provides quick access to useful Windows tools. Depending on your version, you may find shortcuts such as Screen Capture, Notepad, Calculator, Microsoft Edge, Command Prompt, File Explorer, Windows Settings, and other frequently used utilities. Instead of searching through the Start menu, you can launch these tools directly from one place. Finally, open the Restore tab. This section helps recover from certain Windows issues. You can access Windows recovery options and system repair features if your computer isn't working properly after an update or software change. These tools can help restore normal system operation without reinstalling Windows. Microsoft PC Manager is completely free and developed by Microsoft, making it a useful utility for Windows 11 users who want an easy way to clean, optimize, and maintain their computers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Windows 11 tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.